Yes, guys. Like today in this class, like we'll be learning about the abstraction. So, what is abstraction and what all the things we'll be using abstraction. We'll be letting you know. Okay. So, I'll be telling you. So, in this, what is an abstraction? Java abstraction. Java abstraction is nothing but it is similar to the inheritance concept, and this is also related to interfaces. Okay, so how it works, first we'll know about that. So the coming to the definition, the abstraction is a process of and hiding certain details and showing only the information which the user wants. Okay, so we'll be hiding the implementation, like we'll be only showing the details which the user wants. So I'll be telling you in the programmatical manner, so you don't need to worry about this definition. So coming to the next thing is we use abstract keyword. So in this we'll be using this abstract keyword. Okay, so we'll be using abstract keyword to achieve abstraction. So and the next thing is classes or interface. Coming this one interface you will be learning in the next chapter, so you don't need to worry. So coming to the abstract keyword is a non-access modifier. So in the non-access modifier in the previous thing have been told you. So you can go to the modifier chapter and you can just go through that. So I told that you will be learning the abstract keyword in the abstraction chapter. So this is what you will be learning now. So what is the use of abstraction and all keyword, I'll be telling you. Okay, so you will learn here. And coming to how to use that and all. Okay, so you can use for classes and methods. So you can make the class and methods as an abstract. So why and where we will be using the abstract keyword, in the sense you will be using in classes and methods. So coming to abstract class, so the abstract class is nothing but it is a restricted class that cannot have any objects or anything which has been created in it. Okay, you cannot create an object inside that. That is the first point which you should know. To access it, you must be inherited from the another class. So and to access the abstract class you should first inherit to the one class, and then you should access the abstract class. You cannot directly create an object and you can. Okay, so I'll be showing that, so you guys don't need to worry about that. Coming to what is abstract method. Coming to the abstract method, the definition of abstract method is nothing but an abstract method is declared in an abstract class. So the abstract method will be inside the abstract class. So anyway you know that abstract class will be creating every method inside the class only. So abstract class will be inside the abstract method will be inside the abstract class, or in interfaces. Okay, in interfaces also you can create an abstract method, but does not have any body. It does not have any body. Okay, we will not be writing anything inside the abstract method. We will be inheriting that. We will be we'll first inherit that, and then we will be writing the body. It is only, so it that's what they are mean to say here. It only contains the method signature. Okay, we will not be writing the body for that in the abstract method. The implementation, that is what they have mean here. Okay, in coming to the implementation part, the abstract methods are meant to be overridden by subclass or implements by class. So this implemented will be using in the interface, so you don't need to worry about the implement and all by the class that extends the abstract class or implements the interface. So you don't need to worry about this implements, just we'll focus on abstract. So in the next chapter you will be learning about what is implement, like how to implement, what is the implement keyword and all you will be learning. So you don't need to worry about this. Coming to the keyword. In Java, abstract method are defined using the abstract keyword. So how to make that method as abstract is, you will be making that method as abstract using the abstract keyword. So I will be telling in you programmatical manner, so you don't need to worry. And coming to the purpose, the abstract method defines a content that submits a class, like that subclass must see that subclass. What is the meaning they are saying? They are telling us here abstract method defines a con contact that subclass must adhere to, ensuring that so just to this point, so I'll note down, I'll highlight this, there is some confusion, so I'll highlight this, I'll let you know this point. Okay, so the next thing is over here, inheritance concept. Like we'll be inheriting that, okay, we'll be inheriting the like a subclass, and then I'll be telling you this 2 points in programmatical manner. If I tell you now, like you will not be understanding it. Okay, so don't worry about these 2 points. So first I'll come to the Eclipse. I'll be creating a new package called as abstraction. So I'll take a class called, that is A, and take B. Also I'll create the main class to run the program. Okay, I'll create the main class to run the program. So coming to the first point, which what we have learned here is, so whenever we want to use the abstraction thing, whenever we want to make our abstraction make use of abstraction, we'll be making the class as abstract. So what they mean is, we'll not be writing here public, just I'll make it as, sorry, not a main, I'll make this class as abstract class. So here I'll be taking one method void, I'll be taking A. See, for what is that? No, this is the normal method. Okay, normal method. But how to create an abstract method? Coming to the abstract method, the same thing only. See, I'll be writing here, I'll be taking A, abstract, this is A method of abstract have taken. Okay, or else wait, I'll make normal, and this is, I'll take abstract, I'll make this as capital. So this is abstract and this is a normal method. So how to make an abstract method using abstract keyword? Abstract keyword, you will be making an abstract. But why it is showing an error? See, you should remove this body. So there will not be any body for abstract because you cannot any inside the abstract class, or sorry, this is not class, create a abstract object, and so you cannot create a like object inside the abstract. Okay, so we cannot, that is we cannot write and sorry, I'll change the statement. We cannot create a P object ID inside a abstract class. So we cannot create an object inside the abstract class. Okay, so just we will be extending it using the extends keyword, that is inheritance, which you have already learned. So I will be showing that also. And you cannot give the body, so that is you cannot give this body because the abstraction, see, that is what they have been told over here, the abstract method, the implementation abstraction method, like it does not, it only contains the method signature. So see, it only contains method signature, you cannot like write the, see, I'll get it here, abstract method, it only contains the method signature, we cannot write the cannot initialize. Okay, so for initializing, what we will be doing, we will be going to another class, we will be taking another class, we will be using an extends keyword, extends a, this a. So here what we will be doing, we will be taking the method of that is how to take. So this is abstract method, I'll come back here, void abstract, void, I'll be taking an abstract method and I'll be initializing it here. So here okay, so I'll be printing that this is a abstract class, abstract method from abstract abstract class. Okay, this is the abstract method from abstract class. Okay, which have been like which have been inherited used in the extends keyword. So this is how you will be initializing the. So I will be also telling that to initialize the to initialize the to initialize something for abstract method, you should first. So what you should do? You should first call sorry, you should fine. So to initialize the initialize to th to abstract method you should inherit the method method and then you should initialize the value. Okay, so you cannot directly initialize it over here. You should first you should first inherit that method and then you will be initializing over here. This one, the normal method you can write the, see, you can just declare directly over here only. See the difference between normal method and the abstract method also they will be asking in the interview, so you should know. Okay, note the question, that is sorry, I am normal method. So I can use both normal method and abstract method inside the abstract class. That is the main point you should know. We can use both abstract method and normal method inside the abstract class. Okay, so got it right. And the next point which you should know is this one. What is the purpose? So here they are asking what is the purpose of creating an abstract method. The purpose of creating an abstract method is defined content that the subclass, or see, the subclass must to showing that specifies functionality is provided by. Okay, see, what is the meaning of this line is nothing but it only specifies the functionality. Okay, see, the main thing of abstraction is it will hide the implementation, no. So this one, the purpose of the normal, the method is it will only specify the functionality over here. Okay, here it will only specify the functionality, whatever the thing. Suppose if I wanted the functionality in the sense, suppose if I print, see, I want to do any arithmetical operation or anything. Okay, that is 5 plus 5 or anything, or any functionality, anything that which I have to do. The methods are nothing but similar as functions, no. So here if any functionalities that should be done, that one I'll be doing in the another class, that is using subclass. That's what they mean. Okay, so in the subclass we will be doing that. So this point is clear. So coming to inheritance, what is, why they have given inherit over here, that is subclass inherits an abstract method must provide a concrete implementation. This one you don't worry, this one like you will be learning in implementation. Okay, so you will just implement by overriding it. Okay, so if you are not using anything, just you will be overriding it, or by implementing, okay, from the interface. So interface you have not learned still, so you don't need to worry about this. Just I'll be taking that method from A and just I'll be implementing over here, so you don't need to worry about this. So till here, this one you don't need to worry. Okay, this one you don't need to worry, I'll take it off, so you will get confused. So till here you have understood. Either by overriding or implementation you will be doing the, you will be taking the abstraction. Okay, so this is by overriding only. Okay, you have just called that method. So how to execute this method? Okay, how to write this method? So I have taken another thing called as main method. I'll be creating an object of B class of B is equals to new B. So I have created a new class, a new object of B class, that is B. Using that object reference, I'll be calling the method. What is the method name? Sorry. Something wrong. Okay, we didn't use the main method only. So see, these are the simple mistakes which we will be doing. So we should write anything the main method, then only we can execute. So if I run this, see, I'll be getting the output whatever I write inside that method. So that's how you will be able to access. So you will make ask like, then what about this, that is this normal method? We can also access that method directly over here, that is over here, B dot normal method. See, you are getting the normal method. Okay, you are getting it right. See, I'll comment this. so you'll not get confused. I'll run it and show. So you are getting the normal method also. So okay, so this is how, see, like you might ask, like what is the use of this? So I'll be telling that also, so you don't need to worry about that. So here is one example which they have taken using the animal. Okay, an abstract class can be both, as I told, it can use both abstract method and the regular method. So here they have taken one abstract method that is called as animals. Okay, you guys just try this example in your system. Okay, so you understand this and just you try this example. Okay, so here they have taken the abstract. See, this is just one. This is an abstract method and this is a normal method. Okay, so this one is abstraction. See, they have used abstract keyword. So how we make that method as abstract using the abstract keyword, and here this is a normal method which they have taken. For example, again I told you, we cannot create an object, that is this point here. We cannot create an object inside the abstract class. See here what they have told. See, it is not possible to create an abstract for an animal class, that is here. So we cannot create. Okay, it will generate an error if you create. So just if you want, I'll also to tell you the practical thing only. This a of a is equals to new a. See, since it is an abstract class, it is showing here change to abstract. It is showing here. See if I press this, wait, I will run and show. See, it is showing an error, right? So better will remove it off. Now if I run, I'll be getting the output. So these 2 points you should just note down. Okay, one thing, we can write both abstract method and the regular methods, and the next thing is we'll be and the regular method will be how you can write inside directly over here, but for the abstract method you should just only initialize the signature and then you should call. That is what the next step. To access the abstract class, it must be inherited from another class. So if you want to access the abstract methods, now first you should inherit that. The sense what they are telling, to access this abstract method, first you should inherit. That is what have been done. Have used an extends keyword and have been inherited in the B class, then have been run over here. So what they told here, so first you need to inherit from one, that is inherit that method to another class. So that has been done. Similarly used in the polymorphism chapter. So how we done in the polymorphism, no, like that only you should do here. So you already know about the extends keyword, that is from the inheritance chapter. This one I told you already. So just you go through these points, that's all. Coming to here, the abstraction. This one small example which they have given. Again, here they have taken the animal example. They have taken till here we already came to know, right? This one we came to know. What is this? So here what is the next thing they are telling is, see, they are inheriting the subclass to the subclass. Okay, this is the subclass. This pig is extending animal. Okay, for inheritance they have been done inheriting the property of this one. They have extended the class of animal of that super class. They have taken here. Okay, they have taken the animal sound method. They have inherited, and they have given something like pig says VV something, some any functionality which they have want, they have been given, they have printed. So how to print that is, they have taken an object, they have created an object inside the main method, and then they have called both animal sound method and the sleep method. This animal sound method is abstract method. So this is the abstract method, and this one is the normal method. So I think you understood this example. Any doubts? Yeah. So coming to here, yeah, and you guys like already you have the question like why we need abstraction, right? The why and when to use abstraction. So why we will be using similarly it is like a polymorphism only, right? We can use only polymorphism, you might ask. So for that, like only the like why and when to use a abstraction. See, abstraction means like the user will only know the, see, user will not know what method you are using. Okay, what method you are using. He will only know whatever the data which you have been written, and whatever the data you have written, only that he will come to know. Okay, he will not come to know what is the proper detail and where you are, from where you are accessing and all. So for that only we will be using the abstraction. See, it hides certain details and only shows the important details. Okay, so it shows only the important details that should be given. It does not show everything. It does not show from top to bottom. It only shows the particular detail that should be given. So note, abstraction can also be achieved using the interface. So as I told you, the abstraction also can be achieved using the interface. So that is the next thing which you will be learning in the next chapter. So this is the next chapter which you will be learning, that is interface. Okay, so you will be learning about the interface in the tomorrow's class. So coming to just I will tell you what is interface now. Okay, interface is another way of achieving an abstraction in Java. So it is another way of achieving abstraction in Java. So here now you will not be using class. Okay, you will just use an interface. Okay, you will not be using class components. You will be using an interface. So you will be learning in the tomorrow's class in practical thing. Okay, so just like, and you will be using the complete abstraction class. So here you will be achieving the full abstraction, the 100% abstraction you will be achieving in interface, but over here you will not be achieving the 100% of abstraction. Okay, over here you will not be achieving the 100% of abstraction. So you will be learning that the tomorrow's class. You don't need to worry about that. And that is used to group related methods with empty. So in the sense what they are telling is you will be having multiple related a group of methods. Okay, you will be having multiple methods, and you can also call the multiple classes. Okay, if you have, see example, how means A and B are the different classes. This A and B, both the classes can be called inside the class of C. Both at the same time you can call, okay, using implementation. Okay, implements. Okay, so this one you don't need to worry, just I'll just tell the theory, that's all, so you don't need to worry about this. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me now. And there was one concept that is actually not more important, just nothing, it is a concept called as package, like how we create a package and what all the things, like how it has gone. See, you already know how to create a package, right? See, you will come inside the src, that is source folder, and you will go for the new, you will be creating a package. So inside this package you will be creating the class or interface or anything what all you want, you will be creating. Okay, so this was one small concept. Okay, so you don't need to worry about that, I'll be telling you in the tomorrow's class only. So let me cover even that. If you are still confused with that, then it will help you. So why we will be creating a package and all. So okay, thank you. You can leave the class. So in the tomorrow's class, we will be learning about the interface.